और फिर गेट बंद कर दीजिएगा. Welcome to Sri Karni Academy and Educate. Myself Monica Sharma, your geography educator. How are you all? I hope you all are good and enjoy your day. So let us start with the second chapter of your geography, the origin and evolution of the earth. क्या समझते हैं आप इससे कि ओरिजिन और इवोल्यूशन क्या है? ओरिजिन ऑफ अर्थ क्या है, कैसे अर्थ का ओरिजिन हुआ? बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है ये, जो आप क्लास 5th 6th में 7th में अपनी ईवीएस की बुक में पढ़ते थे. बस उसी को थोड़ा डिटेल करके एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है. दैट इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. अर्ली थ्योरीज. ओरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ, अर्ली थ्योरीज. अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस were put forth by the different philosophers and scientists regarding the origin of the earth. पहला, one of the earlier and popular argument was by German philosopher Immanuel Kant. इन्होंने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया था. And in 1900, Cambarian and Mounted considered that the wandering stars approaches the sun. As a result, a cigar-shaped extension of material was separated from the solar surface. अलग हो गया था. As the passing star moved away, the material separated from the solar surface and continued to revolve around the sun. And continued to revolve around the sun, and it is slowly condensed into planets. और ये planet में slowly condensed हो रहा था. So in 1900, Cambarian Mountain considered that wandering star approaches the sun. Star ने sun को approach किया, फिर इसका extension हुआ और ये material separated revolve करते हुए sun के चारों तरफ पहुँचे और ये slowly condense करता है planet को. तो what is the origin of the earth? That a large number of hypotheses was put on the different philosophers and scientists regarding the earth on the earlier popular arguments by German philosopher and Immanuel Kant, mathematicians. The hypothesis considered that the planet was formed out of the cloud of material. And later in 1900, Cambarian and Mountain considered that wandering stars approaches the sun, and as a result, cigar-shaped extension of material was separated from the solar surface as passing the star moved. So, the Sir James Jeans Holdred Jerry supported this argument in a letter that an argument considered the companion by big coexisting. So, they considered that the sun was surrounded by the solar nebula along with the termed end dust, and the frictions and collision particles led to formation of the disc-shaped cloud, and the planet were formed through the process of acceleration. However, the scientists later approached the period of problem of origin on the universe rather just a earth or a planet. So, it is the origin of the earth. Now we come to the binary theories. What are binary theories? Later the argument considered of the companion to the sun to have been coexisting, जहाँ पर वो exist कर रहा है. These arguments are called binary theories. इन arguments को क्या कहा गया? Binary theories कहा गया. So the most popular argument regarding the origin of universe is the Big Bang theory. It is also called expanding universe hypothesis. Edwin Hubble provided evidence that the universe is expanding and the time passes galaxies to move further apart. You can experiment to find what does the expanding universe means. क्या फर्क होता है? Take a balloon and mark some points on it and represent the galaxy. Now if you start inflating the balloon, the points marked on the balloon will appear in the moving away to each other, एक दूसरे से दूर मूव होते हुए. So the similar the distance between the galaxies is also found in increasing the thereby universe. So you will find beside the increase in the distance between the point on the balloons and the point themselves are extending. This is not accordance with the fact. ये उस फैक्ट को नहीं दिखाता. That is the scientists believe that space between the galaxies is increasing. Observations do not support the expansions. इसको support नहीं करते हैं. But we can say that the balloon example is only partly corrected. ठीक है. कैसे? Suppose जैसे कि आप एक ये शेप कंसीडर किया, आपने इसके पीछे एक लाइन कंसीडर की, राइट. फिर इस लाइन को आप यहाँ तक लाए. अब इसके बीच में एक शेप और कंसीडर्ड होगा. फिर एक शेप और कंसीडर्ड होगा. ठीक है ना. और इसके बीच में आप उसको शो करेंगे. राइट. फिर ये सेम इसी में भी फॉर्मेशन शो होगी. सो दैट इज द बिग बैंग, द बाइनरी बिग बैंग. ठीक है. In 1950, Otto Russian, Carl Wizard in Germany revised the nebular hypothesis. They considered that the sun was surrounded by the solar nebula containing the hydrogen helium along with the be termed as dust. So friction, the collision of particles lead to the formation of disc-shaped cloud, and the planets were formed through the process of acceleration. उस process से इसकी formation हुई. So we come on the modern theories of universe. Most popular arguments regarding the origin of universe is the Big Bang theory. It is also called expanding universe hypothesis. Focus on origin the universe rather that is just the earth planet. So the most popular argument regarding the origin of the universe is Big Bang theory, and it is also expanding the universe hypothesis. Focus करते हैं अपन इससे तो rather than the earth or planet. इस पे अपन उसको समझ सकते हैं. Edwin Hubble in 1920 provided the evidence that the universe is expanding at the time passes galaxy and move further and apart. उससे आगे बढ़ता है. Explain the balloon experiment. ठीक है, जिससे कि आप बलून एक्सपेरिमेंट को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. सो the most popular argument regarding the origin of universe is the Big Bang theory, and it is also called expanding universe hypothesis. Edwin Hubble provided evidence that the universe is expanding at the time passes galaxy move further, and you can experiment and find does what is expanding the universe mean. Take a balloon and mark some points. So the points marked on the balloon will appear moving away from each other, and the galaxies considered in the distance between the points on the balloon. So the points themselves are expanding. This is not accordance with the fact, and the scientists believe that through the space between the galaxies is increasing, and the observation do not support the expansions of galaxies. So the balloon example is only partially correct. Now we consider the Big Bang following stages in the development. All matter, ये देखिए ये एग्जाम ये इसमें शो कर रखा है. All matter forming the universe existed in one place in the formation of a tiny ball, that is a singular atom, with a unimaginably small volume, infinite temperature and infinite density. So the Big Bang explosion of tiny balls, huge expansions event of Big Bang took place 13.7 billion years before the present and even spread at present. ठीक है. So in the beginning all matter formation the universe existed in one place in the form of tiny balls. Exploded violently, and this is huge expansion is now generally expected that the event of Big Bang took place in 13.7 billion years at present, and the expansion continues even to the present day. So as it grows, some energy was converted into the matter. That was particularly rapid expansions with the fractions of a second after the Big Bang theory, and the expansion was slowed down. So within the first 3 minutes the Big Bang event and the first atom begin to form. So within 3000 years from the Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4.50 K and gave rise to atomic number, and the universe became transparent. So the expansion of universe means increase in the space between galaxies. An alternative in this way, the concept of steady state, it considered the universe to be the roughly at the same point, however, with the greater evidence and becoming available about the expanding universe, scientifically community at present favors the argument of expanding universe. ये इसका डायग्राम है जो बिग बैंग थ्योरी का, जो वैसे अगर अपन इस तरह से देखें तो आप इसको रिवर्स में भी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, ये इस तरह से, और फिर ये बीच में ये पहली प्लेट होगी जिसमें वो फॉर्म होता रहेगा, फिर ये दूसरी प्लेट बनेगी और ये तीसरी फोर्थ तक इसका रहता है, जिसको अपन सिंगुलरिटी कहते हैं. ठीक है ना, सिंगुलरिटी या नीचे जो है दैट इज द बिग बैंग फिगर. क्लियर, आगे प्रोसीड करें. द कन्वर्जन ऑफ सेम एनर्जी, जो भी इसका कन्वर्जन होता है, जो भी जिस तरह से ये कन्वर्ट होता है, इसका जिस तरह से जैसे भी कन्वर्जन होता है, तो ये जो सब चीज़ें हैं ये आपको क्या करवाती है, एक मैटर के साथ में काम करना सिखा रही है कि आप किस तरह से उस मैटर से जुड़े हुए हैं, कैसे जो है वो ये किस फॉर्म में काम कर रहा है या कैसे काम कर रहा है. तो दैट इज द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, है ना. तो ये उसका कंजर्वेशन है. और रैपिड एक्सपेंशन जो है वो इसी फ्रैक्शंस में होता है, दैट इज द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सम एनर्जी इनटू मैटर, रैपिड एक्सपेंशन विद इन द फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ सेकेंड आफ्टर द बिग बैंग, एंड द एक्सपेंशन स्लो डाउन. जो भी एक्सपेंशन है वो स्लो डाउन होता है एक्सपेंशन जो है वो स्लो डाउन फॉर्म में चलता है. सो विद इन द फर्स्ट 3 मिनट्स फ्रॉम द बिग बैंग इवेंट द फर्स्ट एटम बिगिन टू फॉर्म. So the conservation of some energy is matter and rapid expansions within the fractions of second apart from the bang and the expansion slow down. So within the first 3 minutes अगर अपन देखते हैं, तो ये जो है ये फर्स्ट एटम इज बिगिन टू फॉर्म. ओके, so in the beginning all matter forming the universe existed in the place in the form of tiny ball with the So the tiny ball similarly considered the infinite volume and the So, in the beginning, the tiny ball with the unimaginable small volume, infinite temperature, and infinite destiny. So, the Big Bang tiny ball exploded violently to lead a huge expansions in the generally accepted to the event on takes place and the expansion continues. So, at present, it is grow. इट इज़ ग्रो एंड द मैटर जो भी उसका जिस मैटर पे वो काम कर रहा है. सो वी कैन से दैट द 3.7 बिलियन ईयर्स एगो इट कंटिन्यूड एट प्रेजेंट द मैटर वॉज पर्टिकुलरली रैपिड एंड एक्सपेंशंस. तो जब इसका मैटर पर्टिकुलरली एक एक्सपेंशंस पर काम करता है, जब किसी तो वो जो है देयर आफ्टर द एक्सपेंशन इज स्लो डाउन विद इन द बेस्ट एंड विद इन द फर्स्ट 3 minutes द बिग बैंग इवेंट ऑफ द एटम इज टू फॉर्म. So within 3000 years from the Big Bang temperature dropped 4500 K Kelvin to give rise to the atomic number in the universe and become transparent. So the expansions of universe means to increase in the space between the galaxies in alternative ways of the concept and favors the arguments of expanding the universe. So that is the Big Bang theory. I hope you all will understand. The temperature dropping 4500 K within the years of the Big Bang. Expansion of universe means increase in the space between the galaxies. Steady state theory of Leo. Now we come to the star formation. The galaxy contain a large number of stars. Galaxies spread over the distance that is measured in thousands of light years, and the individual galaxy is in the range of light years. So the distance traveled by 1 year light year is, and the speed is km centimeter. Then 1 light year 9.461 into 10 की power km. Distance between the sun and the earth in terms of light year 8.311 minutes. So that is the thing, that the difference between the light year and 3000 km, 1 light year is this, and the earth and the sun are in the terms of 3.811 minutes. So that is the star formation. The distribution of matter and energy was not even in the early universe, and the initial density differences gave rise to different gravitational force, and it causes the matter to get together and forms the basis of development of galaxies. So a galaxy contains a large number of stars spreaded with a very wide distance, and from the nebulation called nebula. Eventually growing nebula developed a localized clump of gases. These clumps continue to grow even a denser gaseous bodies and given rise to the formation of stars and 5.6 billion years ago. So now we come to the formation of planet. पहले galaxies are spread over the vast distances. The distance are measured in light years. Light year is measured in the distance and not of the time. Mathematicians Leib revised in 1796 and it is known as nebular hypothesis. Planets are formed out the cloud of material associated with youthful sun. It is slowly rotating. Nebula, cloud of gases and dust, and assumptions made for sake of the arguments. The galaxies starts to form accumulation of hydrogen gases in the form of large cloud called nebula. So what is nebula? That a galaxy start to form an accumulation of hydrogen gas in the form of very large cloud, बहुत बड़े cloud के form में, that is called nebula. Eventually growing nebula developed localized clumps of gases, and these clumps continue to grow into the denser gaseous bodies and giving rise to the formation of stars. So formation of stars is believed to have taken place some 5.6 billion years ago. Now we come to the formation of planet. The stars are localized lumps of gases within nebula. Gravitational force within the lumps lead to the formation of core to the gas cloud, development of huge rotating disk gases and dust around the core. A gaseous cloud start getting condensed and the matter around the core developed into the small rounded object. Development of small rounded object into planetesimals by the process of cohesion. Planetesimals are the large number of small bodies. Final the stage they have large number of small accelerate to form a fewer larger bodies in the formation of planet. So the stars are localized and lump of gases with nebula, the gravitational force and lumps of formation at the core of the huge gas. Then in the next stage, the gas clouds start getting condensed and the moon around the object are the process of cohesion, जिस process में वो developed होता है. Then the large planet called planetesimals with the bodies in the large final stage. So the large number of small planet accelerate to form the formation of planet. Now there is our solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. The nebula, which is our solar system, is supposed to have been formed, and it is collapsed. Out of 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planet, and they lie between the belt of asteroids. And meaning Earth, like they have made up rocks and metals with the relatively high densities, and the Jovian matter Jupiter, like most of them are the terrestrial planet with the thick major, mostly a huge helium planets are formed. So in the same period, sometime 4.6 billion years ago till recently, it is the international meeting of taking Pluto with the sentinel bodies to make over the dwarf planet. So the difference between terrestrial and Jovian, the planet can be attributed in the following conditions. And the terrestrial planet formed with a close vicinity of the parent star, showing a warm gases condensed in the form of quite distant location. Now we come to the moon. The moon is only a natural satellite of the earth, like the origin of the earth, and we have been attempt to explain how moon was formed, किस तरह से वो form होता है. explained in the formation of Sir George Drevin suggested. And to become a dumbbell shaped body, eventually it is broke into and suggested the material formation in the form of Pacific Ocean. However, at present, scientists do not accept either the explanation. It is now generally believed that it is a blasted of a large part of the earth on the surface, and the portion of blasted material then counted to build the orbit in eventually. Evolution of the earth, we can say that with the planet earth internally was barren and rocky. Hot objects with the latent atmosphere and present in the day particular earth. So the earth has layered structure. We can say that our earth has the layered structure, and it is the outermost end of the atmosphere at the center, and the atmosphere matter has least density to form the surface as deeper and depth. So the earth interior has a different zones on the earth, and these seeds contain material of different characteristics. Evolution of lithosphere, we can say that it is volatile state during the predominal stage of gradual increase in density and temperature, which is the material inside started getting separated and depending on their densities. This allowed heavier material like shrink towards the center of the earth, and successful formation. Started from the surface of central parts, we have layers like crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. And from the crust to core, the density of material increases. And we shall discuss in detail the properties of each layer in the next chapter. Now, evolution of atmosphere and hydrosphere. The present composition of Earth atmosphere is chiefly contributed by nitrogen and oxygen. So, we shall be dealing with the composition and structure. So, there are three stages of evolution at present. In the second stage, the hot interior of the earth contributed evolution of the atmosphere, and finally, the composition of atmosphere was modified in the living world through the process of photosynthesis. And the early atmosphere with the hydrogen and helium is supposed to be stripped off as a result of solar winds. So this happened not only in the case of the earth but also in all the terrestrial planets which are supposed to have lost their predominant atmosphere through the impact of solar winds. So during the cooling of the earth, gases and water vapors are released from interior of the solid earth, and this started the evolution of present atmosphere, and the early atmosphere largely contained water vapor, and this process with the gaseous outer warp through the interior cell and disgaining continuous volcanic eruptions and gases. So the geological state, we can say that eons, era, period, epoch, एज एंड लाइफ मेजर इवेंट्स. इसको कैसे देखेंगे अगर अपन इसको बनाने के लिए जाएं तो क्या हो गया इसमें, पहले इयॉन्स, देन इयॉन्स के बाद में ईरा, ईरा के बाद में पीरियड, आफ्टर पीरियड वी कैन से दैट एपॉच, then age, then life, major events. ठीक है, तो ये इवॉन्स, ये अपना जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल हो गया. जिसमें इवॉन्स, फिर ईरा, देन पीरियड, एपॉच, एज एंड लाइफ मेजर इवेंट्स. ठीक है, और फिर इस तरह से ये फर्दर डिवाइड होता चला जाता है. सो इन द एटमॉस्फियर द अर्थ कूल्ड विद द वाटर वेपर एंड रिलीज्ड स्टार्टिंग गेटिंग द कंडेंस्ड एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फियर गेट डिजॉल्व्ड इन द रेन वाटर एंड टेम्परेचर विद द फर्दर डिक्रीज causing more rainwater in the formation. The oceans are as old as 4,000 million years, sometimes around 3,800 million years of age with evolved, and the process of photosynthesis get evolved. Life was confined in the ocean for a long time, and it is begun to contribute in the process of photosynthesis. So eventually oceans are saturated with oxygens, and oxygen begin to fold the atmosphere. Now we come to the origin of life. The last phase in the evolution of the earth, it relates to the origin on evolution of the life. It is undoubtedly clear that initially the earth or even the atmosphere of the earth was not conducive in the development of life. Modern scientists refer to the origin of life in the kind of chemical reactions which is first generated with the complex organic molecules and assembled them. This assemblage was such that they could duplicate themselves over converting imitate matter into living substances, and the record of life that existed on the planet in different periods. So, the microscopic structure closely related to the present form with a blue-green algae have been found in the geological formations. Much older than some 3,000 billion years, it can be assumed that the life began to evolve sometime 3,800 million years ago, and the summary of the evolution of life from unicellular bacteria to modern man with a geological time scale. So that is what which we see on page number 18 of your textbook, that किस तरह से जियोलॉजिकल स्केल जो है वो चेंज हुई. अपन इयॉन से ईरा में आए, उसके बाद में अपन एक क्वांटरी टेट्री पीरियड्स पर आए, फिर एपोच पर आए, फिर एजेस अपन ने क्रॉस की, और फिर अपन मॉडर्न मैन, होमोसेपियंस, अर्ली ह्यूमंस, फिर अपन ने और इसमें डिवाइड किया अपन रैबिट्स जैसे हो गए, और फिर उसके बाद एक्सटेंशंस एंड डायमेंशंस, फिर रेप्टिलिया डोमिनेट फॉर्म हुआ, सॉफ्ट बॉइल्ड आर्थ्रोपॉड्स फॉर्म हुए, ओरिजिन ऑफ अर्थ पे आए अपन, देन ओरिजिन ऑफ द सन एंड द यूनिवर्स. सो दैट इज द थिंग दैट वी डिस्कस्ड इन द चैप्टर, और आई होप यू ऑल विल अंडरस्टैंड. बड़ा छोटा सा और बड़ा अच्छा चैप्टर है जो कि आपने क्लास 7th-8th से आप पढ़ते आ रहे हैं अपनी ईवीएस की टेक्स्ट बुक में. कुछ बड़ा नहीं है, बस उसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल्ड कर दिया है कि आपको सिर्फ इतना ही एक्सप्लेन किया. जैसे इसमें एक बार इसका प्रीव्यू में जाते हैं अगर अपन, तो अपन ने इसकी अर्ली थ्योरीज डिस्कस की, जिसमें अपने ओरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ को डिस्कस किया कि किस तरह से लार्ज नंबर ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस जो है वो फॉर्म होता है फिलोसोफर्स के थ्रू. फिर जो है वो कंसीडर्ड होता है किस तरह से उस अप्रोच के साथ में जिसको अपन कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. फिर पासिंग मूव्ड ऑफ द मटेरियल सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द सोलर सरफेस, and then we come to the binaries theory with the large argument and companion. Then अपन ने उसको कंसिडर किया विद द सराउंडिंग निब्यूला कंटेनिंग टर्म्ड एज अ डस्ट, फिक्शंस एंड कॉलिजन पे के ऊपर डिस्कस किया. फिर मॉडर्न थ्योरीज क्या कंसिडर करवाती हैं, जैसे कि बिग बैंग थ्योरीज हो गई जो कि अपने को एक्सपेंडिंग यूनिवर्स हाइपोथेसिस सिखा रही हैं. After that, Edwin Hubble provided the universe is expanding at the time passes galaxies and move further and further apart. After that, we discussed Big Bang theory with the stages of development and universe. Then we discussed the temperatures also. Then we discussed star formation, कि how the star formation and large number of stars are formed in the, then distance travel 1 light year, speed of the light, then galaxies are spread over, we measure planets formation out of the material, then hydrogen gas and large number of cloud is called what, that is nebula. Then formation of planet which is the gravitational lumps and lead to the formations. After that, that is we discuss with the a solar system with moon, the evolution of the earth, evolution of lithosphere, evolution of atmosphere and hydrosphere. Then we look at about the geographical geological time scale, and then we discuss on the origin of life. So I hope you all will understand. कोई डाउट नहीं है, अगर फिर भी कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आई विल डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई यू. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ बीइंग विद अस. कल की क्लास में अपन वापस मिलेंगे. थैंक यू फ्रॉम माई साइड, योर ज्योग्राफी एजुकेटर मोनिका शर्मा. थैंक यू सो मच.